Let's start the new topic, that is total quality management. Here, total quality means it is a system. Total means it is a system where the quality is maintained in all the aspects of the school. Total means everything and every activity running in the school, or it can be an infrastructure, facility, human resources, or the activities. If we talk about the human resources, then these can be teaching staff or the non-teaching staff, and if we talk about the activities, then it can be curricular activity and the co-curricular activities. So now here, what is the meaning of the quality? Now the quality is the continuous improvement, means by satisfying the needs of all the teaching staff, administration staff, parents, students, by meeting the needs of everyone, and doing everything right without any error. मीन्स सब कुछ अच्छे से करना है और उसमें कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. बट हाउ द थिंग्स कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड, एंड वाई डू वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव? Why do we need the continuous improvement in the school? We need the continuous improvement to bring the excellence in the education and to meet all the objectives and the needs in school or educational institution. But how we can improve? How we can improve the quality of the school? How we can improve the quality of the education? We can bring the quality in education by improving the quality of teaching, learning, and administration. But how it can be done? Means all the teachers and all the staff members must work collaboratively and cooperatively, so that the quality can be achieved in education and we can meet all the objectives decided to bring the excellence in the school. So, TQM is the process of the continuous improvement in teaching, learning, and administration to achieve the excellence in education and to achieve all the goals and the objectives of the school or the educational institution. And it can be done with the collaborative effort of teachers. So, it is very necessary that all must work in a coordinated way to ensure that every student get the best possible learning experience through the continuous improvement, teamwork, and the commitment to excellence. Now, let's understand the need and the importance of the TQM. The points that we need to write in under this is, first is inverted pyramid. Pyramid. Let me write the points, then I will explain it. Inverted pyramid, and then next is quality is more important than quantity. Then next, it is a continuous improvement. And how we can improve? By professional development, self control, control. Okay, so next is provide direction. Next is, it is a systematic approach. Systematic approach, and it needs a coordination. Measurement of processes. Next is measurement of processes. Next is assessment. Assessment should be authentic. Yeah, you can say that, authentic assessment. creating problem solving techniques. Now how many points are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11. These points are sufficient. So let's explain all these points. Initially the principal or the you can say that the top management lies at the top of the pyramid, है ना. जो ट्रेडिशनल अप्रोच में क्या होता था कि जो प्रिंसिपल या फिर वो होते थे टॉप मैनेजमेंट होते वो पिरामिड के टॉप पर रहते थे, और जो बाकी के स्टाफ होता था या टीचर्स होते थे या फिर आप बोलो स्टूडेंट, दे लाइज एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड. बट in TQM, in total quality management, the pyramid is inverted now, has become inverted. So the school or the school staff or the student lies at the top of the pyramid, and the principal and the top management lies at the bottom of the pyramid. Here actually principal and the top management act as a facilitators that helps the students and the teachers to do their work best. Next is the quality is more important than the quantity. It means, what is the meaning of quantity? Quantity means how much the work is done, how much the output is produced, and the quality means how well that work is done, how well that output is produced. आपने उस output को कितनी अच्छे से आपने produce किया है, कितनी अच्छी हमारी वो आई है, output आई है, या कितने अच्छे तरीके से काम complete हुआ है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे TQM में quality is more important than the quantity, because if the quality is good then it will produce the good results, better result. But if TQM depends upon the quantity only, then the quality then the result will not be good, result will not be come as we expect. So for example, let's take the example, there is a teacher who teaches the few lessons but with better understanding and the clarity, and uses activities also. So in this way the students get the clear understanding of the chapter and their learning becomes stronger about the particular concept. But if the teacher teaches so many lessons but without any clarity, without any understanding, but then the output will not be the better, and the learning will not be effective for the students. Next is continuous improvement. The TQM, total quality management, does not stop after the one time improvement. The means we have to take the regular feedback, we need to take the regular feedback to bring the continuous improvement, to bring the improvement continuously in the school. So for example, quality education, if we want to improve the quality of the education, we have to take the feedback on the regular basis to bring the new improvements. Next is professional development. Now if we want to achieve the quality in the education, if we want to make the learnings of the students better, if we want that students learn can be improved, so it is very necessary that so how the quality can be, how this kind of quality can be achieved. This kind of quality can be achieved through the good quality of the teachers, through the good quality of the staff, administration staff. So it is very necessary for the teaching staff to improve their skills. And how their skills can be improved? By taking the workshops or the seminars, or through the reflective practices. This continuous growth in their skills will ensure the improvement in the teaching, learning and administration. Now next is the self-control. Self-control means every teacher or every staff member, or in fact learner, should be responsible for doing their best. Means they should be responsible for bringing the quality in their work. Means they do not need any kind of the supervision. Without constant supervision, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई supervise करता रहे उनको तो ही वो quality लेके आए अपने काम में. नहीं, they should improve the quality in their work without constant supervision. For example, if the teacher is going to teach any of the topic, then she must ensure that the lesson is properly planned, that how the teacher needs to teach, and it should be error free, and the proper activities should be there to make the learning more effective. Next is provide direction. It provides a direction to all the members of the school to bring the improvement in their work. Next is systematic approach. It is a systematic approach means everything is done in a step by step manner or in a systematic way. So TQM is also systematic approach. Means everything is done in a systematic way, and it involves a sequence of steps to achieve the quality or the excellence. Means in TQM every activity is done step by step with the proper planning and checking. So next is coordination. Coordination means all the teaching staff, all the students, or in fact the administration staff, everyone who is working in the school must work in a coordinated way, must work in a cooperative way, as a teamwork. They should work together as a team works to achieve the excellence or the quality in the education. Next is the measurement of the processes. Now, process is a set of the activities that turns the input into the output. In TQM, measuring processes means checking how well the process is working and whether it meets a quality or not. द मेन एम इज़ टू इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस कंटिन्यूसली. अब TQM का मेन एम क्या है कि हमने अपनी स्कूल की जो क्वालिटी है वो इम्प्रूव करनी है, वो भी वन टाइम में कंटिन्यूसली इम्प्रूव करनी है, उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कंटिन्यूसली इम्प्रूव करनी है. सो वी नीड टू कलेक्ट द डेटा, देन compare the actual performance with the desired, then if there is any problem, then find those problems and improving them. Next is assessment should be authentic. Authentic assessment means the students should be assessed on the basis of the practical test rather than the written exams. For example, by using the portfolio, projects, case studies, or role play, etc. Next is creating problem solving techniques. It means first of all identify all the problems occurring in the school that is hindering the school to meet the excellence or to meet all the objectives of the educational institution. Then after identifying all the problems, then group efforts should be made to achieve the excellence. Group efforts should be made to solve those particular problems, and these efforts are made by the teachers, principals, management, and the experts.